It's, it's sad, Mama. Wake up. I'm hungry. Don't even let me sleep on my birthday. I'm up and I'm gonna get you food. And my mom is seriously the best. So excited. And I have an orchid. Let's see if I kill it. I have always said I wanted an orchid, and now I have one. Thanks, Mama. And I have to read the card and open that box. It's gonna be sappy because it's from my mom. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna keep this one. Like my hair. I'm gonna open what's from Glenda and her husband now. Oh yes, I'm into collecting rocks. And Glenda gave me a ton of rocks. Really cool ones too. I love that. Thank you, Glenda. One more thing. Yes. And we should offer a 𝕊𝕌ℚ stick. I think that's what it's called. And more rocks. I love her. I love rocks. You're so hairy. I need to replace your towel. My dad says he's not coming up here for my birthday. Maybe tomorrow. And that would make me so happy. You always make funny noises. You're kicking me without your claws. It's kind of funny. I'm really hoping my mom comes home with the coffee for me, seeing how it is my birthday and all. Come here. Happy birthday, Mom. Come on. I want it so love it. How you deal with me, I have no idea. Now I'm really covered in cat hair. I really do have the best cat. If you want to argue with me, go ahead and try. But I can tell you ahead of time, you're not gonna win. Because I'm seriously cat obsessed with my cat. Next time I get a cat, I'm getting one that doesn't shed and has short hair. For my birthday, which is today, we're going to Salem tomorrow. Tonight, we may go to public kitchen so I can have nachos with chicken fingers on top. So I'm about to go in my birthday meal. And that's what I have for dessert.
Because Deanna loves peanut butter.
Yeah. I recorded a whole lot of nothing today because I've been enjoying my birthday to myself by myself. Now it's time for my birthday meal.
So here we go, public kitchen.
Yes, I'm getting nachos with chicken dinners on top.
I think I'm gonna go with the fish tacos because they were really good last time. Oh my god. I haven't had fish tacos that good since Florida. I know you don't like fish.
Why did you say the way I looked at you?
Because I already knew.
All the wine! I'm drawing the wine! I love her.
So adorable.
Isn't she though?
She is.
Are you saying I'm cute?
Happy birthday, cutie.
Thank you.
You know I'm saying you're cute. With abs that eat nachos and tenders and cookies and all the crap.
I wish I had abs.
You're getting there. You're getting there. All right, try your wine.
Okay.
Try it. Because the only thing after this is a sangria.
Settle on the same ground. Mama got those doctors with the time. I have
35 minutes.
nachos and chicken. So,
I'm still laughing.
Mom finds this funny.
I do find it hilarious.
What did I just do?
My neighbors stopped us as we were coming out of the public kitchen. And they're like, you should really sit down in the middle of the road. Colleen, yeah.
She saw us and she stopped so we could cross. And as we were crossing, I went to sit down.
In the middle of the road. Stop traffic in the middle of school letting out. That was awesome. We got quite a few smiles. And they were like, yay!
Except for everyone wanted to me.
Yeah, everybody behind them that didn't see you were like, what the hell? Why is the traffic stopped?
Because I wanted to sit in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
And now,
Good kid.
and now it's time to eat my My birthday cake was a sweet thing.
And Dana's gonna eat it all.
No. I'm so old for candles.
You are. Ready?
As I spit on the cake.
Yeah, as you spit on your cake. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear. Oh.
Happy birthday to me.
You belong in a zoo. Harder.
What the are these straight?
No, they are not. I love spit on cake.
Good. And because you have love.
Blow it out. Gross. Here, ready?
No.
You don't want my spit on the cake, right? There you go. What was your wish? Don't tell me because it won't come true.
If I had a wish, I would wish that I'd be walking by next summer.
Love you.
Love you. Can I have cake?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You want a spoon or a fork?
Spoon.
You're gonna eat it all, aren't you?
I don't know. Well,
Happy 31.
okay. I don't know about that. Maybe not.
Oh my God. Did you do that cake? Holy sh!
I just ate it.
Oh my God, you devoured it.
No, there's still half.
Oh my God, look at that.
He's trying to lick my ice cream cake bowl. Are you done trying? That's gonna hang out on my lap. I love you, baby. Even though you're hairy as a mofo. Once Ace is gone, I'm going to Bengals That's what I'm gonna get. No more of this crazy hair. You're a hairy mother trucker. Look at me, I'm covered. Look what you do to Mama. You make me hairy. You gave me a hairy chest. My slippers are here. I can't even get into it. I think they mean that's the interview. I have meow meow snicker slippers. I'm so excited. Meow meow meow. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and I even hope that you join me on my road to recovery. I'm gonna do it.